Okay, so today we're going to do the Space Shuttle Columbia. Have you ever heard of Michael Anderson, Laurel Clark, or Ricky Husbands? They were just a few of the astronauts on board the Space Shuttle Columbia. Okay, run-on sentence, right? Absolutely a run-on sentence. First thing, they have a list, another name, or another name. Because it's starting off with, have you ever heard? That is a question. So you need to add a question mark. Okay. They were just a few of the astronaut. Is it just one? No, it's two, so it should be astronauts on board the Space Shuttle Columbia. Space Shuttle Columbia is the name of the space shuttle, so Columbia should be capital. On January 16th, 2003, that's the correct way to write the date, the space shuttle launched into space. Does that sound like a good one? Yep. During the launch, a piece of foam hit part of the ship, period. Is that a complete thought? During the launch, that's your introductory clause. Yes, that's fine. Or a piece of foam hit part of the ship. Yes, that's a complete thought. It works. Workers at NASA did not think it caused a lot of damage. NASA is the initials of a company or a proper name, so it should be capital N, capital A, capital S, capital A. Okay, NASA didn't think it caused a lot of damage. If you caught it the first time I read it, I fixed it. It'd be caused because it's past tense. So you need to put a D there. However, when Space Shuttle Columbia returned to Earth on February 1st, 2003, disaster struck. However, again, that's one of those introductory words. So it needs a comma afterwards. And then, like in this date, look, we have a comma here and a comma after the year. There needs to be a comma after this year. Disaster struck. The space shuttle broke apart while flying over Texas and Louisiana. We have a spelling error here, right? Texas has no I in it. 7 crew members were on board. Should not be the number 7, it should be written out. Remember, we talked about that last time. 7 crew members were on board. They included Ilan Roman, the first Israel astronaut. First should be spelt out. First.